Hello and welcome friends to 5 Minutes Engineering. With today's video, we are going to start learning about engineering mathematics, the most in-demand subject from student sites. And now it will be available in English also, as on the main channel where I deliver the mostly content in Hindi. There you can see that the engineering mathematics playlist has been started, and we are discussing about matrix there, and we are going to start with this channel also in pure English, without a single word in Hindi. So let's start with understanding what are matrices, and then few more things, and then we'll move up to different radars of these engineering mathematics and explore all the things that would be helping you in your exams answering the questions. So let's start first of all understanding what this term matrix mean. So see, we have seen many structures in maths, in data structures, in computer science, many structures are there. Now matrix, you can also visualize it as one of the structure where the data, it can be your numbers, it can be symbols, it can be expressions, they are actually getting into a structure, or they are being getting collected in this structure of rows and columns. So that is what we are trying to say it as a matrix. Let's say for example, I am having the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this way. So what it is nothing but a matrix. And if you understand, there are 3 rows in this matrix and 3 columns in this matrix. This is the row number 1, this is the row number 2, this is the third row. This is the first column, this is the second one, and this is the third column that we have. In this respective structure, we are trying to collect all these numbers, symbols, expressions, it can be anything in this matrix, and hence the order of the matrix, we can say it is 3 by 3. So the first digit in this pair is actually trying to denote the number of rows. This 3 actually trying to denote the number of rows, and the later on the digit 3 that comes is the number of columns. So hence it becomes 3 by 3. That means you can get an idea that this matrix is having 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is the basic thing. Now let's understand the position of the matrix. This is very important thing as we are talking about rows and columns. So here we can have the positions as 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, then 3 1, 3 2, and 3 3. So this is very basic level that we are going to start from, so that we don't face any kind of issue when we just touch advanced things. So basically here you can see 1 1. What do we mean by this pair of digits? So that means, see, the first one indicates the row number and the second digit represents the column number. So if I am saying here this digit 1 or the number 1 or the element 1, anything you can call it, this element 1 is actually located or situated in the first row, first column. First row, first column, because it is holding that position only, this position 1 1. So you can comfortably say that it is actually residing into first row, first column. Now there is a second element named, so it's the 2 only. So that element is where it is actually located in your matrix. So its location is actually mapped as 1 2. That means the first row and second column. That means in the matrix, if you are trying to search it, see, this is a matrix. This is the first row, second row, third row. Now if 1 2 is there, how can I reach to that position? I will first of all go by the row. The first step is to go by the row itself. So you will go by the row. So just I said that's the Hindi word that should not be there. So should be there. Yeah. So first of all, as the number, or in the pair, the number of row comes first. So I will go by first of all traversing the row. So it is mentioned 1. In this particular case, it is mentioned 1. And after that comes the row number, the column number. And here is the first column, second column, third column. So the thing that I have to do now is, after the row traversal, you have to go for the column traversal. So I will go for the column. Now we have got a point here. You can call it as, in simple language, an intersection point. We have got it here. Now this is the position that I am describing as 1 2. This is the position I am describing as 1 2, and in that position, this respective element 2 of the matrix, let's say name the matrix as A, is situated. So at this particular position, the element 2 of matrix A is situated here. This is how you have to understand this whole structure of matrix. And in the upcoming videos, we will also be discussing about what are the different types of matrix that you need to know before going ahead.